You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to add and subtract polynomials. For example, if you have 4a plus 3b plus 7 plus 2a plus b plus 9, you can't combine 4a plus 3b, right? But you can combine 4a and 2a. So I can add 4a and 2a, which gives me 6a. I add 3b plus b, or 1b, which makes 4b. And I add 7 plus 9, which makes 16. Okay, so now we have 4x squared minus 3x plus 8 plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 4. I'm just going to take the parentheses away, and I'm going to combine 4x squared with 3x squared to make 7x squared. I'm going to combine negative 3x and negative 9x to make minus 12x. I'm going to combine 8 plus 4 to make plus 12. And there you go. Now, be careful when you have minus. Negative 8x squared minus 5x plus 8 minus negative 6x squared plus 3x minus 3. Whenever you have minus, this minus is going to change this sign, and this sign. Changes all of the signs inside the parentheses. Okay? So, instead of minus, you're going to have plus 6x squared. Instead of plus 3x, you're going to have minus 3x. And instead of minus 3, you're going to have plus 3. Okay? This minus will not change these signs here. These signs would only change if there was a negative out here, but there isn't. Okay? This negative changes all these signs. So I've got negative 8x squared minus 5x plus 8 plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 3. Negative 8x squared plus 6x squared gives me negative 2x squared. Negative 5x and negative 3x makes negative 8x. 8 plus 3 makes 11, and there you go. Okay. Don't be afraid of the words. Find the sum. Sum means addition. The answer to an addition problem. Find the sum of negative 4x squared minus 8x and negative x squared minus 6x plus 8. Okay. So negative 4x squared and negative x squared is negative 5x squared. Negative 8x and negative 6x is negative 14x. There's no number to go with positive 8 plus 8, so I just write plus 8 and I'm done. And there it is. Okay. Now, remember please, what do you get when you take 3 from 10? If you take 3 from 10, don't you do 10 minus 3, right? If you take 3 from 10. If you take 7 from 20, isn't that 20 minus 7? If you take 25 from 100, isn't that 100 minus 25? Notice how in each one of these problems, when you have from, the word from, 3 from 10, the 3 comes second, the 10 goes first. Here, 7 goes second, the 20 goes first. 25 goes second, 100 goes first. Right? Okay, so look at this. We're going to subtract x squared plus 6x minus 10 from negative 8x squared minus 3x. So I'm going to write this mess second. and I'm going to write this stuff first. Okay? And I'm going to subtract, which means these signs are going to change. It's going to be minus x squared minus 6x plus 10. Negative 8x squared minus x squared is negative 9x squared. Negative 3x minus 6x is negative 9x. Plus 10. Plus 10. There you go. Okay. Same thing. Subtract negative 9x squared plus 4x from negative 8x squared plus 8x minus 10. So we're going to put this guy first and this guy second. Okay? This minus will change this sign and this sign, okay, to plus and minus. So I'm going to have negative 8x squared, positive 9x squared, which makes positive 1x squared. 8x minus 4x is 4x. And negative 10 minus 10. And there you go, sorry. You've been watching the Weiss channel. That.